My name is Reagan.
And my name is Grayson. We forgot to tell we're doing a welcoming to our YouTube channel, and plus also thank you for giving us 4 likes from our last video, and plus also we forgot to do the thing that we are doing right now, and this one
is going to be Heat Blast.
We're going to draw a Heat Blast from Ben 10.
And we're going to color it in.
So we're going to start doing the eyes, and I do not know how to make the eyes, so let's see what he's going to do. So we do that on both sides. Okay.
I need to erase mine.
And it's okay if you make a mistake, you can erase or pause the video if you need to catch up.
Then we're going to start off with like this.
Just 2 lines down on both sides.
And then we're going to do this.
Okay. So we do a line down and then across. Okay. It's kind of weird, but I like it. It's hard.
Then we're going to do on the other side.
Same thing on the other side. It's raining tacos.
Don't see that.
Guys, it's like a cat. I think it's like a cat.
No, it's not.
But I think it's a fire cat well, I think it's a fire cat. Let's see.
I'm fixing mine. So the next thing what we're gonna do.
Oops.
We're gonna do 2 lines.
So the bottom line's down and then down, like that. And then we're gonna do down and then. How will we do this?
We're not gonna do that.
Okay, I can erase that. Cause I think he has like a hump right here.
No, he doesn't.
I'm just gonna do it.
Yours won't look good. Okay.
Now, what are we gonna do now?
For his mouth.
I'm trying to make it like. So, I think okay, we'll do. Like that?
No, you have 2 more. No, look at a little like this.
Too many? I have too many?
Yeah.
But it's fine. It's fine.
You do it like this, up and then down like this one.
Get on.
Yep. And this.
Just need to wait. Okay, we'll just do this.
You want to make the flames.
How many flames?
3. Like what I did.
I'm gonna erase that one because it doesn't look as pointy. And it's raining tacos. Sorry guys, It's Raining Tacos from Perry Grip, and he's a famous singer writer.
Girl?
No, it's a boy.
You said it's a girl.
Whatever. Okay, now what? Wait, we add. Oh, we add that. Can I just make mine a straight line? Oh, okay. We just do diagonal line up, diagonal line down, like that. Now what do? We do so.
Do a circle.
Okay.
If it's hard for you, then you could do it either way.
Now what? Just do triangles?
Yeah.
But do we connect them or?
No, we do it like this. Let me show you.
Oh, apart. So that's a.
Like that.
Okay. So that's how you do it, guys.
Okay.
So I think we got his.
We got his thing. Now
So I'm not correct. He's not a fire cat. I'm really pressed like on the top. Oh, wait.
see, we're gonna just do like this. Okay, that's good, son. It's okay.
I want this.
It's okay. Okay.
Now what?
Do the same thing. Oh, you already did. Creepy.
Because I thought the same thing. Told me to ask what. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. Oh, so that's why I like that, and then that.
Good job, son.
What? I'm not your son.
Yes, you are. Remember?
No.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We're both kids.
We're brothers.
Now.
I'm like 4 years older than you.
Oh yeah, because you're 10. Oh come on, you're
9.
Now we want to do this on the same side, but make it.
Okay, so like that and like that.
A little bit closer.
Okay, a little bit closer,
Like that. And we want you could do your own thing like this. You could do your own thing like this.
Okay.
You could do it. So,
How about I do like that?
excuse me, guys. It's kind of weird.
So guys, I think we're gonna have a pattern on this. So like we're gonna have like a pattern that like it's like lava pattern.
No, he's black, so yeah, he doesn't. You already know the colors, but we're gonna use.
Yeah, I know the colors of him, but I don't know.
But we're gonna use this color and this color and this color today.
That's right. Wait, these colors?
Yeah, remember for tweaks.
Okay, I've done it with. Okay.
So that's good. And now we're gonna wanna make it like.
Wait, do we have to erase it? Because I think we have to erase it.
No, we don't.
Well, I'm gonna do it.
No, we don't.
I'm just gonna do it.
You don't have to. Oh, come on. Now I have to.
Now I have to do that, an arm, and on the other side? Okay. And then,
What are you even singing?
it's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, don't need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
Like this?
Okay, 3 fingers.
Okay. Wait.
You know what? 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 You know what?
Oh yeah.
You know what?
Oh, listen to me, people. I ain't got time to think about money or what it can buy, and I ain't got time to sit down and wonder what makes a bird fly. And I don't have the time to think about what makes a flower grow. And I never give it a second thought to where the rivers flow. Oh yeah, and I ain't got